All right, step 11 says we're going to gradually add the control buttons by creating 20 by 20 circle using the color code and then position as seen as the reference image. So we're going to create a spacer that's 36. Let's just make it 36 by 36 from the edge. And zoom in. This grid color is not really helping at the moment, so I'm going to press Control K, go to my grids and change that to light blue and hit OK. And that did nothing. So whatever, we'll just continue. Actually, we'll go back, and I think this is the one that I need to change, not that one. That's the color of the grid. So we'll change that to gray. Alright, so now we have a better view of our guides. And in this corner, we need to make a 20 by 20 circle. So I'll press L, click one time, 20, tab 20. And there is our circle right there. And we'll just position it right here and color it brown. Make sure you select it and press the letter I and click the shade to get its properties, which the only property it has is that it's filled with this brown color, and that's what we want. So we also want to make sure that we are 20 pixels from this shape right here. So I'll go back and make a rectangle 20 by 20 or square in this case, and then put that, smooth this out of the way. And so there is our spaced shape, and so there's a circle. This is our first button, which doesn't really align to the reference image, so I'm just going to go ahead and nudge this. Go ahead and bring out another guide, put the guide on the edge of this. And so according to our reference image, that's where the dots should be. So we'll delete these over here and then do the same technique that we did before with our reflect tool and reflect these back so that we can have evenly spaced circles, since we kind of screwed up that step. And so there's that button. I guess that was the end of step 11. And now we need to add the power indicator. So from the edge of this circle to over here, we need a spacer for 60 by 60. And keeping it aligned to the guide, we'll go ahead and make a circle that is 8 by 8, giving it that lime green color. And right now my mouse isn't working too well. It needs to be replaced. I guess your mouse is considered a tool for your work, and it's worth it to invest in a good quality mouse and not this $10 gaming mouse that I bought from China. So continuing on, there's our power button, and we could delete the spacer, but we can draw a guide if you want to. So that's step 12, just adding buttons. And now we have this button and this button over here, but now we need to create this shape. So since we created a guide here, we need to also create one at the top of this circle. which no, we'll just go ahead and place the guide here and start our circle here. So the D-pad is 64 by 64. We'll go ahead and position that here. And we'll, I guess just to be perfect, we'll go ahead and just create those 28 by 28 circles. Select both, click the key object again, align, center, horizontal, and we'll just Control C, Control F, bring out a copy, and we want the last one to be 12 by 12, which it is. And so we need to change the colors of the circles respectively with their color codes. And there we go. All right. That was step 13 and, well, 12 and 13. We'll continue in the next video.